Now, right now, we're going to talk about doing math with a 2 by 1 component. Now, this is not going to be like most classes you see on YouTube where the guy shows you everything and then make himself feel good. I want you to grab your paper, your pen, and start to work with me this here, okay? I'm going to talk this out, and we're going to learn this together. So we're going to do just one example for this 3-minute video. So 94 times 7. Now, you can look at it many different ways, okay? You can look at it as 9 times 7, and then 4 times 7. So let's do that. If you do 9 times 7, you're going to have this. 9 times 7 is going to be 63. Okay? Then you're going to do 4 times 7, and that's going to be 28. Okay? So you have that. Now, if you ask yourself, well, what would that be? This would be, let's start from, I like to start from the left side. I do. So I know this is going to be a 9, and I know this is going to be a 1, okay? But that's not the answer. So the problem with that is you put the number in the wrong way. By placing the number in the wrong way, you get the wrong answer. So when it comes to doing mental math, you want to be able to do it mentally, place it up so when you write it out, it makes sense. So we're going to think about that for a second. Why is this not right? Again, we know that 9 times 7, okay, is 63. And we know that 4 times 7 is 28. When we put together, answer is not 91. Okay? Why is that? Well, that's going to be a mystery right now for you to solve. But again, a lot of times people, they do things, they put things down, and they say to themselves, but it makes sense. I put down 63, and I put down 28, and I added up, and it was 91. So they would make that would be the answer, and they wouldn't get the grade that they're supposed to get. They would flunk. So we'll come back, and we're going to figure out what we did wrong and how to correct this. Right now, think about this. Sit with this for a little bit. And if you know the answer, then okay, then we'll just have a little bit of fun here. But the thing about this is, doing math mentally and on paper, it's important for you to do it in its proper sequence.